Happy Halloween, friends, and thanks for clicking on my video. Today I'm going to be making 2 spooky recipes for our Halloween party. Well, one's spooky, the other one's just kind of gross, but you know, that's what Halloween's all about, right? So we're going to be making a hatchet cake and a cigarette pretzel dish. So you need to get a bag of pretzel sticks, some white chocolate melts, some black sugar sprinkles. I got black and gray actually. Some red food coloring. I only have pink, but I'm going to make that work. Then I went to the Dollar Tree and got this little ashtray. And then I just have this platter that I've had here at home. And yeah, let's get started. So get your pretzel sticks coated with the white chocolate and try to go pretty close to the end. You want it to look like, you know, the cigarette has a filter there. And then shake off as much of the white chocolate as you can. Really shake off the excess there. Then lay it on a pan with parchment paper. So I saw this on Pinterest actually, and I thought, the first time when I saw it, I thought, oh my gosh, that is so disgusting. Who would ever want to bring a platter like that to a party? But it's so unique, really. I mean, wait till you see when it's done. It's just, I don't know, an adult only party, of course, but yeah, that's what we're having. So just thought it would be really kind of fun and gross, just like Halloween is. So then when you fill up a full tray, go ahead and put them in the freezer, and not for very long. They'll get hard in just a few minutes. Then you could start adding the candied sprinkles to it. So I'm going to do a few with the little pink ends so that it looks like some of them are actually smoldering on the ashtray. And then I'll do the rest with just the black tip. So you could also use crushed Oreos, like crushed really fine in a food processor, instead of the sugar sprinkles. So there it is, a platter of pretzel cigarettes with chocolate and sprinkles. Okay, now I'm gonna make my spooky hatchet cake. So I had a bag of raspberry filling in the freezer that I defrosted. I had made a wedding cake for my daughter in the summer, and I had a little bit of that raspberry filling left, so that'll taste good in there. But yeah, I made like a little well of frosting so that filling wouldn't come pouring out before I put on the next layer. So I had 2 more layers, but one got stuck to the pan. I didn't grease it well enough, so I was left with this third one, really tiny third one. So anyways, it's tall enough. It's gonna be good. So then I put a little bit of that strawberry sauce in a container and added a little bit of purple food coloring just to give it, I don't know, I wanted it to look darker like blood. So I did that, I added to it. I think it looked pretty good. And then I had to add, of course, little roaches because everybody wants roaches on their cake, you know? Well, I hope you had fun watching me make these crazy and spooky recipes. I hope you guys have a very happy and safe Halloween, and we will see you next time. Bye, friends.